And she did. The sides are on, the guards. So I'm about to pop this other one out the window. I pray no bugs, no nothing that's gonna run me about this house. In Jesus' mighty name. Let's do this. This little girl is on fire. I think I did it right. My brother can double check. And I did. Oh my God. This is crazy. This tree is so big outside my window. God. Ooh. Ooh. I lost some in the water, but I'll get it back. Oh wow. Jesus, thank you. Like this little girl, I be so proud of my little self. Can't nobody tell me nothing. If you could do it, if you can see it, you can do it. So it's all cool. I have to learn the settings, but hey. Okay. Is that the compressor kicking on? I know that from my uncle now. Is that the compressor? A hot mess. Period. I'm so nervous. Period. Ooh, there we go. Ooh, we talking now. We talking dirty. So I'm gonna seal off anything that needs to be sealed because I don't want anything coming in here that I can't handle and get the old air condition out of this room. Because I don't want to fight nothing I cannot fight by myself. And she gotta go to work tomorrow, so that's that. I can't believe this. Clock C, clock C, clock C, clock C. uh, oh my God, I just did this. My heart is racing. Well, I did the other one before, but I did it with my mama, so it's different. Oh my God, so let me finish sealing, because I'm sealing it up, honey, because I don't do bugs. And that's a big old tree outside this window, so super excited. Period.